Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to be talking about what, in my opinion, are the best Windows shortcuts that were introduced into Windows 11. So if you guys love shortcuts like I do and you just think that they make using the computer a lot more easier, here are some must-know shortcuts that you should be using on a daily basis on Windows. All right, so Windows 11, a new feature was introduced, the widgets menu. So on the bottom left hand side, when you click it or hover over it, you'll see that this widget thing pops up. Okay, and if you do use it, you can just, there is a shortcut for it, which is Windows W. Okay, so once you press that, this will pop up, and then you can press tab to like cycle through what you want to look at. Okay, so just press Windows W rather than hovering over this, right? And this will just pop up. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is quick settings. So on down here, you guys probably noticed that Windows now has broken this up into two different things, where it's the quick settings and then it's the tray for the notifications and the calendar. Okay. So now if you want to open up this quick settings menu over here, all you need to do is press Windows A. So this will open up this menu over here. So, you know, if you want to turn off Wi-Fi or any of these settings over here, you can just press Windows A and that will pop up. Okay. And then likewise for the other one, the other menu over here with the notifications and the calendar, all you need to do is press Windows N. So let's press Windows N. You guys can see it just pops up from the right hand side. And here you can just quickly look at the calendar, whatever you need to look at, and then just close it again by pressing it. Okay, the next thing is this snap, Windows Snap, or the snap feature on Windows. Okay, so you know, with Windows 11, the new snap feature came out. You know, before in the past, the old Windows did have a somewhat like a snap feature where you can move the windows from wherever to the left hand side of the screen or the right hand side of the screen. But this with Windows 11, it's been dramatically improved. So let me just show you guys what I mean by that. So I have this folder over here, and if I want to snap it to the left hand side, I just do that. Or if I can just where'd it go? Oops, I put it on the other screen. Or I can snap it to the right hand side and it just snaps to the right. So this was already in Windows before, and by the way I do this is pressing the window key and the left or right arrow. Okay, and if I want to expand the full screen, I press the window screen and up twice. All right, so that just makes it full screen. But now with the new snap, you guys can see over here all these new features over here. Let's say if I want to snap it to, you know, the top fourth of the screen, right? I can do that over here, and then that. So, you know, obviously you don't want to do that. The way you can do that with the shortcut is press Windows key Z. And then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say I want to snap it number 6 in the middle. So I'll press 6, and now I can choose with the arrow key the middle one. Okay. And once you do that, it gives you the option to set whatever you want on the left hand side and the right hand side, which, you know, I just press cancel because I don't want any of that right now. But basically all you need to do is press Windows Z, right? And then press the number you want to select, and from there you can choose where you want to snap it. Okay, so that's that. The next thing is casting. So if you ever wanted to cast your computer screen to another device, whether that be a TV or you know, another monitor or pretty much anything, all you need to do is press the Windows K button. So you guys can see over here, Windows K button, cast. And it's just looking for available displays. I don't even know if I have any, probably not. But the displays will be on your local Wi-Fi connected, and from there you should be able to select where you want to cast it. So yeah, you can just press Windows K key and it will automatically pop up, start searching for available devices. Okay. Moving on, the next one is Teams. So I don't have Teams on the bottom. I removed it because I don't really use it. But if you were someone who does use Teams, right? I know Microsoft has been heavily pushing it. They want people to migrate over to Teams and start using that. What you want to do is press Windows C. Okay, you guys can see over here Windows C, and now it just pops up over here Teams. These synced contacts, I believe they're from Skype or something, but basically it's just an easy way to chat. If I did use it, it definitely would be helpful to have this shortcut, but I don't really use Teams. But if you do, great shortcut to know. All right, last but not least is the voice chat. So that one is Windows H. You guys can see over here, voice, select the text box and type. So I will just let's open Notepad. Okay, let's press Windows H again. And now basically all you need to do is press the thing and it'll start typing. Hello, hello, do you hear me? Yeah, right there. So you guys can see over here that it typed in, and it's pretty good. So this feature was available in the past, but the only reason I'm mentioning it is it has been dramatically improved, and it actually is useful now, unlike before. Before, it would really not recognize your voice. If you had even a slight accent, or even not even an accent, just a different way of talking, then the way it knew, it couldn't properly write down what you said. Okay, but now it's pretty quick, and it understands really well. So yeah, those are the top Windows 11 shortcuts that you must know. Okay, and it just makes life easier to know shortcuts. And yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you like these shortcuts, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other shortcuts that you use on a daily basis, let me know in the description below or in the comments below. I'd love to check out those shortcuts and start using them as well. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peace out.